You might think that you could be doing better. You're not better than this one person. You're not even making money yet. So many things in life feel so slow, so stagnant. You're not really making any progress. You get in ruts sometimes. You don't feel as disciplined this day. But you know, those problems are actually good. I'm glad you feel like that. Because first off, you're not okay with being comfortable. You want to change, you want to get better. And secondly, because I know you have that mindset, I know you can actually get better. Because you want to get better. You actually have a drive, and you're tired of not being disciplined. You're tired of life feeling so boring and slow and repetitive. You're tired of thinking that you can do better, but not doing better. So that's already something to be grateful for, happy about, that you actually want to change. Because do you know how many people just don't care? How many people just don't want to change at all and they won't do anything about it? I'm sure we've seen people like that in school, whether in public places like where I'm at right now. I'm sure we've seen people that just don't care. They don't want to change. While everyone else sleeps in, doesn't really care about anything, plays video games, we can actually change. And because I know we can actually change, we will get better. We will start making money. We will see life as something that's more fun, more enjoyable. And even if it does go slow, it goes slow because we do so many things in our life. We're actually productive and use our time so well. Instead of waking up and checking our phone and doing all these crazy things, you can go outside and go in a park and just admire the sunrise like I'm doing right now. Like, it's the first time I did this, by the way, sitting here. And it's just so great, man. Nobody's here. It's 7 a.m. Nobody's here. Everybody's sleeping in on a Saturday. And I'm just here, bro, chilling. Actually just chilling, watching the sunrise, watching the day get brighter. It's such a great start to my day, bro. So that actually leads me to something that you can do right now. If you're tired of being like the way you are and you actually want to change, something you can do is get out your comfort zone a bit. Instead of me making a video in the comfort of my home, actually going somewhere in public where people might see me. Like, people might see me, oh, what am I gonna do? And there's probably like some one random person just looking at me through the window thinking I'm like some actual like crazy person. But yeah, if you actually want to stop being comfortable and you don't like where your life is right now, you have to do something to change that, right? So I feel like doing anything that will get you out your comfort zone, just even just a little bit, whether it's going on a walk, whether it's saying hi to someone you see. Seriously, I swear those little things just propel you towards the places you want to be. Because you don't have to cold approach like 100 people. You don't have to, do these crazy challenge things. But you just have to do something, just something that gets you out your comfort a little bit, leans out your comfort. So I want you to try to really think about moments where you can do that. Can you go to public places and, just chill here in the morning instead of being at your house? What if you just went somewhere that's like a 5-minute walk and you could just be here right now? And I honestly would tell you to, like seek discomfort more and stuff, but you've probably already been doing that a decent amount. Like, you've probably been working out, you've probably been talking to more people and stuff. You've probably been doing those things, which is honestly great. I feel like it's so easy to forget how we were 1 year ago, Like, 1 year ago, we were playing video games all the time. We were doing this and this and this. We're doing all these bad habits that were just making us like everyone else, living the same life everyone else lives. And we've changed so much in 1 year. Because seriously, 1 year ago, right now, instead of being out here, I would have been on my couch watching Fortnite YouTube videos, the freaking fashion shows or something. I would have been watching that 1 year ago. But now I'm actually just chilling here, talking to you, trying to make the most out of every single day that I have. And that's honestly such a great way to really make yourself think of how good your life actually is. Have you just stopped for a moment and just thought about how much you actually changed? Yeah, like, oh, you might not be making money. You might not be doing this yet. But 1 year ago, like, you wouldn't even care about that. You wouldn't even want to try and get better. You're doing great, honestly. I know we both changed so much over the years, and if you still think like, oh, but I haven't really changed, you're gonna change eventually. Because it's so crazy how much your life can change in 6 to 12 months, even less. Because 6 months ago, I could have been on the couch watching YouTube videos, but I've changed so much over those 6 months that doing that literally feels so weird. I actually feel repulsed by doing that, and I just won't do it. It's literally something I can't do. And 6 months ago, it felt like something I needed to do. So a lot can change in 6 months, bro. Like, if you feel like you're not making progress, everything sucks, bro, like, things will get better. Life can't suck forever. It really can't. Life just can't suck every single day. Some days are going to be worse. Some days are going to be better. Some days are going to feel amazing. Some days are just going to feel terrible. But what you can do is mitigate the negative days and raise the bar for what's a bad day. Because for me, a bad day 6 months ago would have been like relapsing, doing all these crazy things. But now a bad day for me is that, like, I eat 2 chocolate bars that have some sugar and don't even have bad ingredients. Like, that was literally what happened to me yesterday. And I would say that's a bad day. A bad day was that I went on a walk and didn't talk to this one person. That's a bad day for me. Things cannot go bad forever. And something you can do right now also is to enjoy the trenches, enjoy the low points of your life, and enjoy those moments where you just feel so stagnant. Because I love the moments where I just feel like no change is happening in my life, because I know if I do anything else, I'm going to feel so much improvements. I'm going to feel so much better about my life. I really want you to understand that a lot can change in 6 months, bro. 6 months ago, I would have been so nervous being in any public place like I am right now. But now I'm in the place that I would have feared. So if you go out your comfort zone more, if you try to lean out your comfort zone a bit, like I'm doing right now, be grateful about how far you've really come to be where you are at right now. If you enjoy the low points and raise the bar for what's a bad day, you will get a lot better, and you will start making money. You will start being more disciplined. You won't even need discipline, because it's fun, it's enjoyable, it's motivating to do the hard things in life. And you've been doing it so well. You've been going out your comfort zone so much more. It doesn't feel like it's discipline. It's just enjoyable to do, because you've seen the benefits. You've seen how much better your life is when you do those uncomfortable things. Because think about it, the best moments in our life are probably when we did something that was a little bit uncomfortable. Like, our best moments probably weren't when we were just sitting on the couch eating donuts, playing video games or something. So you're doing a lot better than you really think you are, man. I used to be so stressed, even at 15 too. Like, if you're about my age right now as you're watching this video, like, you're amazing. You're honestly amazing. If you want to join my club of like-minded people, it's in the link in the description. So you can talk to me, you can interact with other people who want to get better. So you're actually way better than you really think you are, man. And I just want you to keep this in mind, because you might feel stressed some days, you might feel overwhelmed, you might feel like you're not doing as much as you could be doing. But just know you've gotten so far, and you've improved a lot more than you really think you do. So just keep this in mind, bro. Stay strong. I love you. You're doing great, and I'll see you later, bro. Peace.